Hey, welcome to the Driven Billionaire channel. It is a must for anyone who owns or wants to invest in crypto to know about the main venture capital firms in the crypto market. In our rankings, we will see 5 of these crypto VC firms, so you too can make more informed decisions when it comes to investing, especially if you own cryptos such as Polkadot and Ripple. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to turn on the notification bell so you will always know when we put a new video out. A disclaimer alert is now in effect. This video is for informational purposes only. We recommend you to always seek professional advice. Let's dive in. Number 5, FBG Capital. FBG Capital is a digital asset management firm in the blockchain-based capital market. Based in the Asia-Pacific region, this firm was founded in 2015 by Vincent Zhou. Zhou is not only very experienced in digital assets trading and investments, but he was an early investor in blockchain technology companies and projects. This makes Vincent considered as one of the most well-connected and visionary hedge fund managers in Asia. In 2019, FBG Capital was one of the early backers for the FTX's crypto derivative exchange and trading platform. Since then, FTX's token has gone from $1.80 to an all-time high of $60. FTX's token is now being traded at a price of $26.70, and it has a market cap of over $2.5 billion at the time of making this video. Nowadays, FBG Capital has 45 blockchain investments, with 13 of them being lead investments, which assures investors of its bright future. FBG Capital is definitely a firm that you can't ignore when it comes to debating the most promising digital asset management firms in Asia, and we believe that most crypto investors would benefit from following up with their movements in the future. Number 4, Blockchain Capital. This San Francisco firm was established and launched in 2013 and carries the title of the first VC firm purely focused on cryptocurrency. The company is headed by brothers Brad and Bart Stevens, who have experience in internet security and cryptography, as well as financial technology development. There is no doubt that Blockchain Capital is among the leading venture capital firms in the blockchain industry. The firm's team is composed of the earliest, most active, and experienced experts in the blockchain industry, such as Jimmy Song. To date, the company has made over 80 investments into projects and protocols in the crypto and blockchain sector. These investments were made throughout different stages and asset types, all over the world. So far, Blockchain Capital has over $300 million in assets under management, 4 funds, and 5 unicorn investments. Just so you can have an idea, some of the projects in Blockchain Capital's portfolio include BitGo, Bitwise, Coinbase, Itbit, Kraken, Ripple, and others. It is safe to say that because Blockchain Capital is focused on conducting deep research and developing investment frameworks constantly, it will be interesting to see what position Blockchain Capital will be in the following years. Number 3, Digital Currency Group. The Digital Currency Group is a company that was founded in 2011 in New York by Barry Silbert. DCG's main goal is building and supporting the largest early-stage investment portfolio in the cryptocurrency and blockchain ecosystem. This strategic investment group has 226 investments, 26 of which are lead investments, such as Bitflyer, Curve, and CoinMe. DCG's aim is to support the best ideas in the blockchain market by leveraging its insights, network, and access to capital. The group's latest acquisition was finished in September last year when DCG bought South Africa's crypto pioneer, Luno. Since then, Luno has seen the number of active users increase by 167% and was ranked in the top 6 cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide in the latest Crypto Compare Exchange benchmark Benchmark, receiving the top-tier AA rating. DCG is a strategic investment group that is more than likely to be backing important projects. If companies such as MasterCard and Western Union trust DCG enough to invest their money, why shouldn't you, as an investor, at least be aware of what they are up to? Number 2. Polychain Capital. Polychain Capital is the world's premier investor in cryptocurrency protocols and companies. Founded by none other than Olof Carlson Wee in 2016, the company is committed to give investors extraordinary returns through actively managed portfolios composed of blockchain assets. Polychain has 93 investments, with 43 of those being lead investments that include SpaceMash, SynFuture, and Solano. The company also runs 3 funds: Polychain Ventures, Polychain Ventures LP, and the Polkadot Ecosystem Fund. Taking the Polkadot Fund, for example, which was made in collaboration with Web3 Foundation in order to further build the Polkadot network. So yes, if you own or invest in Polkadot, you will probably get a lot of value from following up with Polychain's moves in the next coming years. PC's founder Olaf used to be the head of risk at Coinbase, and that is a great thing, considering that venture capital is all about risk versus reward. Olaf was able to secure equity investment in Coinbase, even after leaving the company in 2017. This investment has done very well, especially considering that Coinbase launched their IPO earlier this year. It is clear that Polychain is going to be a company with vision and a strong presence in the market, making it important for investors to follow its moves, especially if they are into cryptos such as Polkadot and Compound. Number 1. Pantera. Founded in 2003, Pantera changed its investment focus in 2014 after an early stage of seed round investing. That year, Pantera Capital announced that it was placing a focus on blockchain and cryptocurrency transactions, becoming the first US institutional manager focused exclusively on blockchain. That same year, the firm also made its new partnerships with Fortress Investment Group, Benchmark, and Ribbit Capital Public Knowledge. After that, the company moved its focus to Bitcoin transactions and to a new fund called Pantera Bitcoin Partners. At the time, Bitcoin value was at a mere $65. We can say that Pantera was lucky on their timing, but it is hard to believe that many venture capital companies acquire $3.2 billion worth of assets under management only based on pure luck. The company's AUM is split into 5 different funds: Pantera Blockchain Fund, Pantera Liquid Token Fund, Pantera Early Stage Token Fund, Pantera Venture Fund, and of course, the Pantera Bitcoin Fund, with the minimum investment amount for these funds being between $100,000 to $1 million. These funds can offer investors opportunities, such as buying a piece of a crypto company in their early stages, to a private sale of tokens prior to their public offering. The CEO and founder of Pantera is Dan Moorhead, who used to be head of macro trading and is CEO at Tiger Management. Prior to that, Dan was the global head of FX options at Deutsche Bank in London and managed a global macro fund and derivatives trading units in North America and Japan at Bankers Trust. Dan began his career at Goldman Sachs as a mortgage-backed securities trader. In addition to a well-experienced CEO, Pantera also has an exceptional investment team that, for sure, are working to keep Pantera as the leading VC firm in the crypto market. So far, Pantera was able to show extreme efficiency in getting into the right projects at their early stages, such as Polkadot, Ripple, and of course Blockfolio, which Pantera later exited their position when Blockfolio was sold to FTX Exchange. Pantera for sure has had an impressive track record for many years, and we believe it is a great indicator that they are backing a project when making our own analysis. Now, which VC firm do you follow? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and check out the links of the VC firms that we have mentioned in the description. We hope that you have got a lot of value in this video, and if you did, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, if you like this video, check out our video on the 5 reasons for the volatility in the market in the box above. See you guys next time. Take care.